Okay, so the speaker box is soldered up. Sounds really good. I flat blacked out the top here so that when you look through the grill you don't see it. And I built this speaker enclosure with such low tolerances. It's wedged between the metal frame here and secured with the two pins that were by default on this frame. I mean, I don't even really need glue for this, but I'm going to use a little bit of canopy glue. West Coast Rails suggested he uses it, so it's a good idea because it'll peel away easy enough. And in this case, if I ever need to remove this speaker enclosure to pull the truck, then I'll have to be able to do that. Okay, so how's everybody doing? So I didn't want to make you all wait. I wanted to give you a sample of the sound on the SRY MP15DC number 153. I have the long hood cab frame, most of the chassis all pretty much painted. As you can see here, the trucks are base painted, and I haven't done any weathering really yet, but since you've all been patient, I just wanted to give you a little sound sample of this Loksound version 5. And I'll fire it up, let it idle a bit so you can see all the other little sounds as well, which is one of the reasons why I really like these decoders. In fact, I really like TCS as well, but I think I'm going to stick with Loksound version 5 right now. Anyway, here we go. Let's have a sound test here. It's a nice little throaty sound for a small little speaker enclosure. Here's the bell. Here's the horn. I'll do a notch up to 8. It's notch 8. Pretty good, eh? Yeah, what a time to be in the hobby in terms of the quality of, running and what these decoders will do to an already good running locomotive. Even a poor one like the Walther's Jeep 9, I wouldn't say it's poor, but it is one of my best runners. Mind you, this one here is really, really nice. The Atlas is a beautiful running locomotive, probably one of the best I've seen. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.